This Russian supposedly created artificial life through an experiment in which he places his sperm inside a chicken egg. In the latest videos, we saw that besides the homunculus that ended up attacking the Russian and being crushed shortly after, he had made another one. And this little guy here grew up. In the sixth video, we see that the homunculus had a notable change. Just compare it with the previous video. Remember that in the last video, the Russian was unsure about which protein to give the creature to develop. So he started giving meat to the homunculus, which explains its size change.
Реагирует. Так, возьмем небольшой кусочек.
Then he demonstrates how this food is given. He explains that before he started giving meat to the homunculus, its food was a protein shake like those used by athletes. It was when he realized that the creature could already eat solid food that he started giving it meat. During this phase of evolution, the Russian noticed some changes, such as mucus that was previously on the creature but started to disappear. Another detail the Russian mentioned is that something similar to veins began to appear on the creature, but it is not very visible on camera. Another important thing is that with the arrival of summer, the water in the container where the creature is ended up warming, leaving the homunculus immobile. The Russian even thought for a moment that it had died, but as soon as he put it in the refrigerator, it started moving again when the water cooled. Then he began to question the Russian about why this supposed hybrid of a human and a bird would not have any characteristics of either. The Russian argues that one cannot say that this is indeed a hybrid of a human and a bird, and compares the homunculus to those primitive organisms that inhabited the ocean millions of years ago. He ends the video by asking for suggestions for a name for this homunculus, and so far his favorite option is fake.